If you want Yahoo to open automatically every time you launch Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Yahoo your homepage in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great option if you want Yahoo Mail, Yahoo News, or the Yahoo search page to be the first thing you see when you open your browser. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser and not another browser like Edge, Firefox, or Safari, because these settings are specific to Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the list that appears, click Settings. This will open Chrome settings in a new tab. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click On Startup. This is the section that controls what Chrome does when it first launches. If you've never changed this setting before, Chrome may be set to open a new tab page or continue where you left off. On the On Startup page, select Open a specific page or set of pages. Once you choose that option, additional settings will appear underneath it. This is where you can tell Chrome exactly which website you want to open every time the browser starts. Next, click Add a new page. A small box will pop up asking for a website address. In the field, type https://www.yahoo.com. Make sure the address is entered correctly, then click Add. That's all there is to it. Now Yahoo is set to open automatically whenever you start Google Chrome. The next time you close Chrome and reopen it, Yahoo should load right away as your startup page. If you ever want to change this later, you can come back to the same On Startup section and edit or remove Yahoo from the list. That makes it easy to switch to a different homepage if your preferences change. A quick tip, if you want Yahoo to feel even more like your main homepage, you can also set it as your browser's home button page in Chrome settings. That way you'll have easy access both when Chrome launches and when you click the home icon. And that's it. You've successfully made Yahoo your homepage in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.